Hello and welcome to Stinger Diecast. So I got a couple packages in the mail today and figured I would try unboxing them on the channel here and see what we get. The small package here actually contains a car that I've been looking for, wanting to get actually since I first started collecting. So I had been hoping it would come to the United States. It never has, so I had to get it from Hong Kong. And then the big box contains a whole bunch of premium die cast from Tarmac Works and Mini GT. And I don't 100% remember what's in this box, but I do remember what most of it is. So let's get started and see what we have here. Let's get this big box out of the way and start with the small one. This car probably won't be too exciting to most people, but to me, since I drive a Kia Stinger and I happen to be a big fan of the Kia Stinger, this is the Kia Stinger from Majorette, or as Majorette calls it, the Kia Performance Car. Packaging's a little bit beat up, but that really doesn't matter to me at all because I'm going to open it. And I'm not going to open it on this video, but I will open it in another video because I want to do a look at all of the Kia Stingers that are currently available, and hopefully some other companies will come out with them in the future. So very, very happy to have this one. So let's open this other box, see what we get. I'm going to set this aside so it's not in the way. Oh, yay. Packing peanuts. Hate packing peanuts. And this is also going to regret putting the packing peanuts on my desk. So this is very well packed from the seller. So we have a couple Tarmac Works, looks like a couple Mercedes C63 AMG Coupe Black Series in a racing livery. This is a Gumball 3000 car from the Tarmac Works Global 64 line. Very cool. And then the same car, C63 in red. Very awesome. I already have this one in yellow, so it seems I'm filling in the collection of these Tarmac Works Global 64s. Up next, we have another Mercedes. This is the Mercedes DTM safety car. So just another version with a light bar. And the rather silly Tarmac Works packaging with the box, which I am not a fan of. and then one more Mercedes in this police livery. I had to think really hard about whether I was going to pick this one up or not. I went ahead and grabbed it for the hell of it, but since this is a fictional police livery, or it's from a video game, it's not really the kind of thing I would normally want to go for, but since I was ordering the others, I figured I would just order this one too. Not that big a deal. Let's see. Hopefully we get something here that's not a Mercedes. Pretty sure I ordered something else. And it is. So we have a Ford Mustang. Let's see. Mustang GT4. SEMA 2016 presentation. So this is a pretty cool casting. I almost passed on this one as well because I don't think this is a real race livery. I tend to like cars that reproduce. It is a real car, I believe, but I don't think it's actually a car that's raced anywhere. It's just like a show car. And then we have the Koenigsegg Agera RS in yellow. See how this thing compares to the Hot Wheels version, and I'm planning another video on hypercars and talking about those. These are mini GTs. And we have Bentley Continental GT in blue, Bentley Continental GT in orange, because I'm trying to get all of the Bentleys. Bentley Continental in Pikes Peak International Hill Climb livery. And the Bentley Continental GT in St. James Red. I really love these Bentleys, especially the racing versions, which I have quite a few of these now. These are very cool cars. So I love race cars. And then one more Liberty Walk Lamborghini Huracan LB Works version, white with red stripe. Okay, and red wheels. See if that can sit there. And I believe that is it for this box. Yep, that's all that's in here. So just a selection of mini GTs and Tarmac Works, and thanks for watching.